Welcome back to another Fast Take. This is going to be for all my 73 to 87 C10 owners out there. If you're tired of your gauge cluster not having all of the modern technology that we have nowadays, then look no further because Dakota Digital has another instrument cluster that'll work out great for your classic ride and still be able to give you all of your modern features that you would want from cars nowadays. So this is the Dakota Digital VHX Gauge Cluster for your square body. This gauge cluster is pretty cool because it still keeps that factory appearance, but Dakota Digital actually puts in a bunch of modern technology to be able to make it more enjoyable to drive your square body around. This gauge assembly includes 6 highly accurate gauges, including the speedometer, tachometer, oil pressure, water temperature, fuel level, and a voltmeter, as well as advanced lighting that will increase the legibility and your ability to read gauges with a quick glance at any point during day or night. Each number, tick mark, needle, indicator, and digital message center is lit by a series of LEDs behind the gauge face. These LEDs come in your choice of either blue, red, or white, so you can pick whichever one that will fit your square body the best.